half gone here in period one. We are scoreless. A long lead pass in alone. Reynolds fires, save made. Dogs looking to break out of their own end. Cosman, that pass up for McDonald. Here comes Reynolds on the wing in front for Burns. The shot is saved, and smartly plays it all the way back to the St. John line to Tilly. And the Sea Dogs rifle it back into the Bathurst zone. Who's down there first? McDonald, good play. Slips it in the front. Quick shot, they score! A shorthanded goal by Nico LaForge on a beautiful pass from Cam McDonald. Well, how about that? LaForge getting it done, his first of the season, 1-0. And the Sea Dogs in a 2-on-2. Ellie to the line. Simic driving the net. Ellie on the backhand. Across her.
2-0.
Now you talked about it with Burns. Pass intercepted by Despont. Over to Burridge. Backhands it down, coming with speed. Here's a backhander. He scores, and who is it? Brady Burns. So Brady Burns comes racing in off the wing. And a nifty little move goes to the backhand after from around behind the net. Straight up ice to the blue line and over, still with it. Forehand scores! Well, coast to coast. Connor Trenholm up high on Howitt, under the bar, and it's 6-0 St. John.
Well, you called it, John, coast to coast. Connor Trenholm.
And LaForge hustles over, trying to keep it in, but can't. Here's Allison trying to burst in over the line, dropping it back. Kidney comes off and then dishes it off, and then there's the pass to the front, and they score. Collette redirecting a pass from Cole Larkin. And the Titan have their first of the night, 6-1.
And that's the first